So here's part two. Hopefully I can finish this in under 5 minutes. So I linked each of these three circles to a new slide. So now if I hit present and I click which one has the correct capitalization, I click this one, it will take me to incorrect. Go ahead and try again. Now I didn't link this arrow, or that one's already linked to the first one, so I didn't unattach the link. So it took me back to my hamburger hot dog question. So to switch that, I'm going to have to go to slide 6. I want to link this and link it to back to slide 5 because it's incorrect. So I want them to be able to redo the question and find the correct answer. So instead of just moving on, they can go back and figure out which one is the correct answer. So I linked it to slide 5, which is back to my question about the capitalization. So I hit apply, and I want to do the same thing, or I want to link my correct slide to the next question. So I'm going to add a slide, and I'm just going to type question 3, and then when I get the time, I'll make that next question. So I want to go to my slide 7. I want to hit link, and then I want to change this. So since my picture is covering it, I'm just going to move my arrow across the screen for a second. It's right now attached to link or slide 5, so I want to unattach a link, and then I want to reattach a link to slide 7. So to slide 8. So it's going to take me to that next question because they got it correct. So slide 8. It's a lot of back and forth checking, making sure you have the correct slides that you're attaching it to. So that's what's going to take most of the time, making sure you have it attached to the right slide. So if I go to my second question, I hit present, and it says which one has the correct capitalization. We see the beginning beginning capitalization and the name of the street is correct, so they click it. It says correct, they click next, and it takes you to question 3. Same thing happens if we go back to our question. I hit present, I answer the wrong question, it takes me to incorrect. Go ahead and try again. Try again, it takes me, it's taking me back to that first one. So what I want to do is make sure I fix that link. I want to detach the link, and I want to try it again. Again, I'm going to have to move my arrow because I can't see it. Link, and I want it to go back to slide 5. Apply. Now it should work. Let me move back. Hit present. Try again, and there we go. It takes me back. So even I made the mistake of linking it to the wrong slide. Again, when you are making a new question, you want to have a correct and incorrect for each question. That way you can send it back to the question it's attached to, or you can send it to a new question. You can't always send it back to the first two you created because then it will just be a loop of working with that first question. I hope this was helpful. It is a little confusing, but once you kind of get to work with it, it is pretty easy, and I'm excited to have the kids try it out. I will give them a video on instructions on how to use it before I just send it to them so they understand it a little better. But if you have any questions, just let me know, and hopefully you guys can use this to help you. And if you need help setting one up, just let me know.